5 years planning, and you have already asked you why do we require the government. Yesterday I have written some of the small points relating with this economic presence of the government. Now, why do we require government in the country? Let me ask some of you. Let's say here to make the laws. Yes. Then
to make the laws and we will secure the people who are for the crimes.
the stopping the crimes, right? Okay, all of you are speaking about the maintaining the law and order, but there are some other aspects that is government required. No?
Yeah, right.
Anything that you have in mind? Huh? Which side is it? Say loud. Say loud. To maintain law and order, only one answer in everybody's mouth.
Sir, as we know that a captain needs always, sir, as a team always needs a captain to gain victory. In that way only, we need a government to gain economy, and the government is helping in road sanitation and water facilities and everything that our common people needed. And
Yeah,
it
good.
maintains the economic presence of the government.
Yeah. And someone did not tell me. Very good. Did not tell me about the education. That education is another very important part of our life, especially. And to get the proper development, we need to have the education. It's very. You can see in some other foreign countries, how they have given the much more importance. And yesterday I was talking about the GDP. The government was getting the GDP. The GDP is spent on the education. And in some places, they have made the compulsory education. So there is a role the government is supposed to play. But in our country, let's see how the education systems are running. Did you know? So these are all actually we have to focus on, and then we have to critically analyze and think of that how we can be. So that's why I'm asking you about your opinion. That our country in this field, what are the steps should be taken, right? There are many crimes are taking place, but then cases are pending in the court. Thousand cases are pending. The files are still not open, and today, tomorrow again occurring. Many accidents, many cases. You have already coming across in a different newspapers, channels, and all. Yes or no? So why? Why these are the like a delay? It is the governments who is not putting the much effort in completing all these matters. They are only pending. And in every issue, the government, let's say, taking and then make it like a kind of like a national issue. And we are all watching the news every day. Oh, this is the problem. Now let's see right now, Kisan Ambedkar is going on. This one is every day we are watching. What that situation this farmers are undergoing, difficulties they are undergoing in Delhi, especially in Sindhu border. These are all every day they are showing. Why? Government, why not coming and compromising and then talk and then can sort out the problem? It's very simple now. Government is meant for whom? For the people of India, for the citizens of India. Why government is not with the people? Why with the government is with a few handful of the business classes? I think these are the things we have to really know. And now, we have read yesterday about the 5 years planning. Now, what is a 5 years plan? In which area the 5 years planning is really required? So, according to our this reading yesterday, some of you have read, here one of the aspects is mentioned here, that is the national income increases. National income. Now, how this national income will increase when you are not providing the facility? In the name of the farmers, the government will be bringing the budget and saying that we have provided like 1,000 crores of rupees to the farmers. But in reality, when you go to the ground, you will see that hardly 2,000 money is has sent to the farmer's account. Now you must imagine a farmer may be having the 1 acres of land or maybe 10 bighas of land or 15 bighas of land. With the 2,000 money, can he maintain to buy the seeds? Can he plow the soil? Can he till? Can he use the fertilizers with the 2,000 money? No. So where is the reality? Where is the ground? It means we see that the government's back foot is more. Only in the name of the budget, they will be mentioning in the budget. Okay? So we have to really carefully analyze what the government actually is trying to make us. It means we are fooled. We are not able to know. Many rights that we have got in the black and white letter, but these are the things are only written only. But in the real utilization is not seen. That's why today government is only with a handful people, with the business class people, not with the common. So in the name of the development, we see nothing nowadays. No? So that's why I'm saying you that which area we really required for the development of the country. Now India is set towards the development. And in the science and technology, India is still trying their level best. But where? How far? You see, only in the town and cities, these are the things we can see. But like us, especially in the rural areas, these are the not given much mind, not given much importance. So I think we have to really know. That's why I have mentioned some of the countries' name, that there are few countries which is actually given the very important in the education, in the field of education. And how? You must see. I have mentioned some of the names. First name is Austria, second name is Canada, Switzerland, third, then fourth is Germany, sixth is United Kingdoms, then Taiwan, China, South Korea, Japan, and Singapore. These are the 10 countries name that I am mentioning. These are the countries how they have made themselves so smart in their field of education and technology. Now reason behind why. Let's see. One first country I will mention. That is the Austria country. Now in the Austria country, a child should be getting the education up to 9 years. Up to 9 years. The compulsory education is provided in Austria. And we know Arnold. We remember Arnold, one of the Hollywood actors, actor. Then Adolf Hitler, we know. These are all from this Austria. And how they became so popular. So popular. And a sewing machine was invented in this Austria country. Then again we can see that the turbojet, one airplane, small one. That one was actually in here. And then here average IQ is 100. Average IQ. That IQ you don't know. This IQ, intelligent. The intelligent that we have got now. This average only. Average IQ only 100. So imagine. Then again we go to the second country. That is Canada. Canada is what? Not only for the famous for the candy, chocolate and all. Yes or no? We know that this country is very much like a fond of chocolate, and that's why they are producing the best chocolate in the world. And then you can see here 20,000 US dollar actually spent in this country for the education. It means that when we speak about the 20,000, it means what? 14 lakhs of rupees for the youth, for the children. Understood? And again you can find here the government actually having the fund event for the education purpose. It means you must imagine the Europe country why giving the so much importance on the education, whereas in India we don't see these other things at all. Here we don't see. Why our ministers are not understanding about the situation? Why? We have to ask question. And in this Canada country, you see the IQ is 101. The average IQ is 101. Very, very different than our country. And then you can see here Metro Golden, that one cinema, one poster you can see in the beginning. And then again you will see the Corner Brothers. Then kerosene was invented. Kerosene in this country, Canada, which we are using sometimes, for different purposes. Then again, Java programming. In the mobile you have no Java programming. These are from Canada. Then here sonar. Then again electric bulbs. That is the birthplace of the electric bulb in this Canada. So, and this what called? This country, especially Canada, up to the 16 years of age, they are giving the some education free to this youth, and the government is spending money. And again, in some other areas, up to the age of 18. So that is we get money. Third country is Switzerland. Switzerland, you know, the very beautiful country. Very beautiful. You have seen in the TV and all. Very beautiful country. What this is Switzerland actually all about? Now see, it is the land of the best chocolate here. It is the land of the best chocolate is produced in this country. And again, the best car. In Switzerland, the best car. Understood? Then again, best watches. Very costly watches. Nowadays, Hollywood actors or even Bollywood actors, they are wearing the watches are almost like a more than 50 lakhs crore this watch. Ah. I'm not just mentioning the name, but the best watch. Okay. Then again, you will have here, this country actually have never been a part of the scandal politics. It means these ministers of this country, Switzerland, they are not engaging themselves in the unnecessary politics, dirty politics, as we can see in India. So that's why Switzerland country is free from the some sort of corruption. Understood? And then again, what we have to see that this country actually gave the world who? Albert Einstein. To the world, Albert Einstein. And then this country, we know that Albert Einstein is the storage, a kind of like a full of knowledge, no? And we have been studying about him very in different parts of the science, isn't it? Albert Einstein. Do you remember or not? Yes. So this is the person from this Switzerland. And then again, here the average IQ is 101. Average IQ is 101. Must remember, intelligent. Our India is 82. And where is 101? Understood? So, where we are. And then again, we are not only the land of Nestle. You know the Nestle chocolate? From Switzerland. And then a Chevrolet. That is the car we have seen now. Chevrolet. Then here we have the relativity theory. That is the science Albert Einstein have already given us. And education is here actually compulsory up to the age of 9, and they are giving the more important of the education and a practical. Now, in this country, the Nobel Prize is 26 Nobel Prize. 26 Nobel Prize they have received. Switzerland, must remember, Nobel Prize, who won? Who wins? The country which is a professional in education and technology. Everyone, the country, if you find that giving the importance, they are getting the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize simply not gained by anyone else. They are the all-rounder. Understood? Next. So, they are not only eating chocolates, and we think that eating chocolate can spoil our this cavity, no? Tooth, the cavity will spoil. But even chocolate eating also can give us the, it makes us intelligent also. We may be not having the much idea. We may think sometimes eating chocolate and all can make us damage our teeth. Yes, besides that, it also gives us intelligence. To really know. But what the chocolate is? Huh? Then again, next we have the Germany country. Now you know about Germany. What is all about Germany? You are hearing or no?
Yes, sir.
So Germany country. Now Germany you must remember what is one. Average IQ is here 100. 100. Average IQ. Germany. And then what the Germany is here all about? They are getting the Nobel Prize 107. 107 Nobel Prize. I am asking you to count, find out about this India, how many Nobel Prizes right now? Okay. Then here we have the one philosophers. Remember? Listen, boys. Here I am not what called giving you the data. This is we are comparing with our India. How the other country can do, then why we cannot. No? So here you know Carl Benz. Carl Benz, you know who is? The founder of Mercedes. Mercedes car, you know? Yes, the very branded. No? Mercedes car, you know, no, all of you? Yes. This is the Carl Benz. And again, Alois Alzheimer. Alois Enzer, then a Zeymar, then a Diesel, then a Rudolf Diesel, then a Nazis. These are all citizens of Nazis actually given the importance in this country. They are important, have given to discover and invent a new machines, a very branded one. That's why this Germany is one of the very advanced country and a very beautiful country. Then we have to say that in the education area, the Germany is the free. It means freely they are discussing, but also more than theoretical, they are giving the importance on the practical. Practical education is more in Germany. And in a real life education, they are also giving the real life education. Now suppose we are learning this particular part, but this one in the real life will be showing. And real life is, you know, practical in the campus, how you are. These are all actually, they will be showing in a practical. Then again, here, the real life education is given to them. And so they are not only in a good memory or memorizing, but street discussion. Now, suppose I met you, immediately one topic will be raised up, and they are discussing in the street discussion. Have you done any time street discussion? No. You are meeting only saying that, hey, where did you go? I went to market. These are the other things we talk about. But we have never discussed about the study. We have never discussed about the any machines. We have never discussed about the software, anything that we are learning. Yes? So this street discussion we don't do. That's why I am saying that we are mostly engage ourselves in the theoretical. So in the practical and street discussion we don't do. Again, here you can see. So that's why they are very intelligent, and so they are called livable people. Livable means what? You are living with the knowledge. Like we are eating and surviving, no? Like that, with the knowledge they are living. Livable people. And then they are considered as one of the best countries of the world. So Germany is one of the best countries. Understood? So that's why I have to. Next we have the United Kingdoms. United Kingdom. Now why this United Kingdom is very important? Listen. Here, their Nobel Prize is 132. 132. Now reason behind getting the Nobel Prize 132 is what, you know? And their average IQ is 102. 102. So you can find in a United Kingdom, Oxford University, Cambridge University, Imperial College of London, then a top university where there is a established in this area, in this country is established, the top universities. Cambridge you have heard, Oxford you have heard. So it is not a joke that countries are taking the lead of having this kind of educational institutions. So what the government is doing, our government, that Ram Mandir. You create the Ram Mandir and you will get the knowledge. You will be engineering from the Ram Mandir. So our GDP is spent where? Making constructing in the temple and a statue unnecessarily, no? So those crores of money was spent for the statue. Now again one more. This parliament is going to construct, no? Now there are so how many thousand crores they are going to spend. It means unnecessary money is spent and making the people full. In India we are very full. That's why we are everything is blindly The government is doing. And the government, you know, the way we have found right now, the government is supposed to do the right thing. They are not doing it. They have only one ideology. I don't know, that religious ideology. So when the development takes place, God knows. Okay. So let me talk about this United Kingdom. Now see, they are the top universities of the world. You can say United Kingdom. And under United Kingdom, you can see the Scotland, England, Wales, Ireland. These are the big, beautiful countries are always given the importance on the education and compulsory they have. So up to the age of 18, a boy or girl is given the education from the government side, and if not, in your home only you have to study. In your home you have to study. If you are not going to the colleges and schools, okay. Next we have got here I was talking about the United Kingdoms. Now, some of the great people of this kingdom, especially in the United Kingdom, we have to mention. There is Sir Isaac Newton. You must remember Sir Isaac Newton from United Kingdom, who has discovered the gravitational force. Then again, Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin is another philosopher. He is bringing something very deep knowledge about our cosmology and the human being. Especially maybe anthropology is very smart. Then we have the William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, you have seen about his picture, and this person is literature, no? English literature and all is given importance. Then Stephen Hawking, you remember? Yes, from United Kingdoms. Then Charles Babbage. Have you heard Charles Babbage?
Yes, sir.
Then again, Alexander Fleming, Alan Turing, then Michael. These are the people are from this country, and one of the intelligent people from this country. So, countries are providing us the good people, and they are giving us their in their own little research. Today we are reading about that. Understood now? So that is the thing we have to think, that how we can be like these people or more than these people. Utilization of our brain. Okay? So coming and gossiping, that doesn't make any sense. Next we have the another important country is Taiwan. Taiwan country seems to be not that much like popular. Yes or no? Taiwan. Have you heard the country's name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here, literacy rate is 98.7. Literacy rate. It means boys and girls and people are educated in this, and they have calculated 98.7. And again, here global maths science test is more than, and then the rest of the country. It means global maths. Today we are learning the maths, but here globally, when these children are brought for the competition, they are the first one to get the marks. Global maths, if you say, these are the tests are conducted, and they are the very misadvanced. So you see their brain, how sharp they are. Okay. Then again you can find here, nearly 95% of the students, youth are found either in the school or in the colleges. 95% of the youth, boys and girls, are found in the school and colleges. Not like us in the marketplace, spending time, gossiping there, talking. How we are spending time? How much we are putting effort in our studies? And God knows what we are studying, whether it is containing the knowledge or not. And you people are not thinking that which is containing the knowledge, that is we need to adopt. Yes or no? But you have to think of about yourself. And then up to the age of 12 years, the education is given compulsory here, and they speak Mandarin Chinese, which is a very complicated language. Mandarin Chinese. This Chinese language, those who are speaking, you will come to know that their IQ is 104. 104. Taiwan. Those who are complicated language speaking, no? Their brain is really sharper. So don't take lightly. Oh, I am in the English medium, so very simple to speak. But you must learn the difficult words. Then only your IQ will go high, no? Daily new words, daily new things that you have to discover and find out. Then our intelligence grows. Understood? We have to think of that is the thing. And you have the scope now. And then, okay, that is about the Taiwan. Next we have got China. China, another very important countries. Now see, you visit any of the shops, you will see the product of on top hologram and all, made in China, then often seen. And these countries are actually capable on all the sectors of the industry. They have got the all sort of industries. What is the domestic purpose we are using? In our home using, in the fan, houses, door, or decorative articles, in the festivals, statues, every bit of industries are found in China. Whereas in India, we have nothing like that. We are all buying from this country. We are buying from the China. No? And again you see there, the country which is very capable in making on this. So not only there is, you will see that there are some olden inventions. Okay, let's see. We have seen the green tea. These are all from China. Then a paper from China. Compass, Chinese one. Then a seismometer. There is also abacus. 1 meter is that one also from China. And a Lenovo, Chinese. Is it not? Then a MI, Xiaomi. All these are all Chinese company. So then again, here, remember, 98.4. 98.4. Our India, how many are educated? And female, 94.5. 94.4.5.